Hello everybody, welcome to, well, thank you for watching this video, but shout out to every single one of you guys, our Urban CEO Academy members. I am so excited to shoot this video because I have so many announcements, okay? So hopefully I can remember everything, but first and foremost, we want to thank our Urban CEO Academy members, and of course, you know, we're so sorry that we were not able to see you guys for our June summits. So what we're doing is, even though we're not going to be having, or we did not have the physical summits for this month of July, we're going to start sending out our awesome Urban CEO Power Packs. Now I just want you guys to see, oh Lord, let me not fall over. This is what the Power Pack typically looks like when we ship it off in the mail. I mean, when we have it at a summit, but we are creating customized boxes that we can actually ship off to you guys. And they're specifically for Urban CEO Academy members only. And it's going to be full of a lot of goodies. Okay, so this is so awesome. Now you have to be at least an Academy member for at least 3 months. Okay, in order to get this Power Pack shipped to you. There's nothing that you have to pay. And it's, like I said, it's going to be full of tons of stuff, okay? And these are tons of goodies. Now, a couple of things, it smells good in there. A couple of things I want you guys to understand. When you get these Power Packs, I don't want you to just look at the goodies that are inside and use them, because yes, we want you to use them, but we also want you to think about ideas. See, the purpose of being an Urban CEO, right? You know, we are unapologetic, real bold, action-oriented, and non-conforming, is also to think outside the box. Many of these people that you're getting products from, you could, number one, either learn how to partner with them, possibly partner with them. You could maybe start your own business in that space, or maybe you're providing something that could actually work together with them. See, we want you guys as Urban CEOs to continuously think of ways that you can expand your business or start a business, even if you're not an entrepreneur, ways that you can be able to still benefit from leveraging these products. Many of us use products and services and we share with other people all day long. And so these are opportunities for you. So I don't want you to just, you know, when you open it up and you see, oh, okay, this nice soap and stuff. This is a wonderful soap. But I also want you to think, you know, maybe you're in the space where you work with people and you could provide this product to them. You could partner with this person, or maybe you want to learn how to make your own. You could call them and say, hey, do you coach in this space? We want Urban CEOs to love these Power Packs, but they are designed to also give you power, okay? Now, that's the first thing. So for those of you who have been members for at least 3 months, starting this month in July, we're going to send it. Now, because we're not having a physical conference this year as well, guess what? Don't worry. Starting July this month and next month and the month after that, we're going to continuously. So once you have hit your 3-month membership, you can expect to get your Power Pack in the mail as well. First thing. Second thing is, if you do not have your Urban CEO t-shirt, make sure that you go and grab you one. Guess what we're doing? For the month of July only, for everyone who orders an Urban CEO t-shirt, you're also going to get your very own Urban CEO face mask. Now listen, I'm gonna be honest, y'all. I never even wanted to have to create a face mask because in my mind, I thought we was gonna be done with this, but it looks like it is going to be a little bit of a while. So in order for us to show our solidarity with you guys staying healthy, we're gonna make sure that if you buy a t-shirt, you will get a free face mask as well as a filter. Now there's a filter that's gonna come and you have the option where if you want, because this is kind of like a double-sided or two-sided mask, if you want to kind of slit it and add the filter in there, you can do that. Or you can just put the filter on and then put the mask on top. We want to make sure that you are also taking care of yourself. So if we're going to provide masks, we want to make sure that we also provide ways to keep that thing out of your mouth, okay, and your nose, all right? So that's the second thing. So get your t-shirt and you will automatically get a free face mask as well as an Urban CEO wristband. We're going to be sending those out for the entire month of July. And the third thing, I want to announce 2 winners. One of the winners is actually going to get these amazing Capri lashes. The Capri lashes are by one of my good friends. Her daughter has started her own business and it's called Capri Lashes, as you can see. And these are the new magnetic lashes. Matter of fact, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pick 2 people that are going to win the magnetic lashes. So one we already have in stock, so we'll be able to ship this one off. And then the other one we'll order another pair so we can ship it to you. But this is going to be courtesy of Urban CEO. Yes. And also make sure if you guys want to get your own Capri lashes, we will include the link. Okay. But we're going to select 2 Academy members. And the way that I made a decision, I logged into the training and I looked to see who had gone through the Urban CEO Academy and fulfilled all the training. That means they went through 100% of the training. And the 2 people I want to announce are Deirdre Parker, as well as, Rashida Roberts. So I want to shout out those 2 Urban CEO Academy members who have gone through and looked at 100% of the training. Awesome. And guess what? We've got more training that's going to be added. So guys, we definitely want to encourage you guys to look through the training, get as much as you possibly can. And we'll be doing more giveaways for the month of July. I believe that these Capri lashes sell for about 30 to 40 bucks. So you are winning a really dope thing, okay? And we'll do all types of different things. And the final announcement is, if you happen to have a product or a service that you would like to get in front of thousands of people, okay? We are currently looking for additional people who want to sponsor products to go into the Urban CEO Power Packs. And we're also looking for people who want to become a part of our Who's Who's magazine of the Who's Who of Urban CEOs that's going to be launching in October. Yes, we're still going to be having that magazine to go out. And some of you guys actually got nominated. How you doing? Well, guess what? If you want to also advertise your business in the Who's Who of Urban CEOs, as well as include some of your products in our Power Packs, all you simply need to do is send an email to sponsors@urbanceonetwork.com. They will fill you in with the details, but we look forward to serving you. Again, congratulations to our incredible winners, Rashida and Deirdre. Guys, you don't have to do anything. We'll contact you, make sure we have your shipping address correct. But other than that, that was the announcements. Oh, and we've got new training being added this week. So make sure you guys plug into the Urban CEO Academy, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Deuces.